Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send Canva design results to WhatsApp. So let's say that you've already done your design in Canva and you want to see what your friend says about the design and you want to share it through WhatsApp. So what you need to do is just click on the arrow at the top here, the arrow up. Okay, so here you can just swipe through this option until you see the WhatsApp icon. Okay, this one, click on the WhatsApp and CapCut will prepare your design. Here it will download the design that you made before, and after that you'll be directed to the WhatsApp. Here you can just choose the account that you want to share the designs with. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.